Hello guys, I am Abubakar Usman. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Daily Nurse Activities. Today I will be discussing with you how to prepare paper bag in case of absence of kidney tray. This is paper bag that you are going to prepare to dispose your materials. Paper bag is a manual handmade container which is used to dispose waste material in the absence of kidney tray. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, for more updates, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share.